wa itoka cia bururi ginya kuria iharo-ini no kumenyithia maria magitinda tuhangira metha-ini itu ya mohoro ya Muthingi TV anie Getka Wambui Wanja na gitio kinene itigera gukorwo kigucia njungwa yaku ngoro gikumenyithia maingi maria maikorwo makihanika guku bururi-ini kuria mutamburuko witu no ukorwo kiwamukira kuria nenda-ini citu cia ukinyaniria mwena wa Facebook ario Muthingi TV naguo mwena wa Twitter ario X ani Muthingi TV mwena wa YouTube ni Muthingi TV na tukiambiriria ni ati kambuni ya uthuthuria ya Infotrack umuthi ni magikorirwo makienera maumira ma uthuthuria ya mao anda kuringira kona guko ni kuringana na ndereti iria koretwo igiakiriria ari ndereti ya kigina kia mwaka wa 2024 na mwaka wa 2025 na kuria maugite ati thirikari ya kana thirikari iria tongoragio ni President William Ruto ndikoretwo igitungatira a Kenya toria yagirirwo
Goko ndereti ya kigina ya mwaka wa 2024-2025 ithiete na mbere anyiti itemi sekta ngurani ta bengi na kambuni ya Infotrack mothe ni rutete maumirira ma uthuthuria wao wa ndereti ya ugai wa kigina kuria gicunji kinene kia a Kenya gitakenetio ni umwe wa mendekithia ma budget-ini.
63% opined that the country is headed in the wrong direction and only 19% say the country is headed in the right direction.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa Infotrack Jovin Wanyingo, kaunti ya Nairobi niyo itongoretie he kaunti iria itaiganire na utongoria na gicunji kia 74 igicokerero ni rugongo rwa bururi na gicunji kia 69 no kuri uguo gicunji kinene kia andu akuru kiugite bururi uthiite wega.
Key regions that are leading with the opinion of the negative or otherwise opinion includes Nairobi region, which accounted to 74%, followed by Eastern 69 and Nyanza at 68.
Wanyingo oho neugete ati ni marigithanite ripoti ya mwaka muthiru mweri wa keri na mweri wa kenda kuria a Kenya aingi maugete ati bururi dukoretwo gitongorio wega.
We've compared last year in February. We've also compared last year in September and May. What has the ratio been? And you can see at least the figures that we're seeing in May are more or less similar with what we encountered last year in February. So the 19% who had mentioned the country is headed in the right direction, these are the reasons they've given. The reasons being the economy is doing well. So there's only 31% of the 19 who feel the economy is doing well. Then of course there's this fraction of 16% also. The cost of living is a bit affordable to them. They can get all the products they need, albeit
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV njitagwo Wangui wa Murioki.
Atugithie na mbere guku bururi yo ikirigirirwo kuingira mwaka ungi wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024 na mwaka wa 2025 wona mendekithia ma budget njeru ya kigina mahitukio na gutwika watho ritwaranirie na a Kenya kuria tukoretwo tukimoria hika ni maikoretwo magithoma uhoro wigie kigina giki na makiria niki marakorwo magieterera na muturire ukoretwo ukimatwarithia atia athutha wa ndereti ino gukorwo ikiariririo
ama ushuru ambayo linapandishwa na hawa lea kukua magumu, ambapo kila mmoja analia kwamba mfuko wake iko bure, watoto wanaenda shule.
Mimi siongei mengi sababu maisha lakini sisi tunategemea aliye juu. Hiyo ndio sasa tegemeo letu. Huku kwingine hakuna matumaini, watu ni wengi sana wanalala njaa.
Kulingana ile maoni wametoa doi yapitishwa. Nikikuwa itakuwa hivyo tutakuwa overtax, ambapo mtu wa chini atakuwa kwa shida. Naona hii serikali tuko nayo siku hizi inatupendelea sana hiyo tax inatufanyia. Kila kitu kiko juu. Ukienda kwa unga unapata iko juu, ukienda kila kitu kisai iko juu. Kwa hivyo unaona hiyo serikali siku hizi inatupinya sana.
Na mimi vile naona sisi kama tu raia wa Kenya kusema kwetu kulipa mataksi namna hiyo hakika kusema kweli tutaumia zaidi. Sasa ukienda kwa magari naona pia inaongezwa ndio bei, kama ni bus fares nitakuwa kwa namna hiyo. Kila kitu kiongezwa, kama ni kila kitu yani. Kama nisikia mkate tumesaongezewa. Kimeongezwa mkate sasa kila kitu kinaongezeka. Inaonekana ni mbaya sana. Tukipiga mwaka mwingine kutakuwa takubaya zaidi.
Katika hali hii ya ushuru tunasikia kama wananchi inatufinya sana, maana hatuelewi mbona tunatoa ushuru wa hali ya juu na maisha bando inaendelea kutufinya. Maana katika hali ya uchumi inaendelea kwenda juu, na tungetaka zaidi kama Mkenya wa kawaida tuwe na unafuu katika hali ya taxation.
Na dikioe woni waku horo wegie ugai uyu wa kigina ni uriku no korwo gitigira ndomereri yaku akuria mena wa Facebook ario Muthingi TV tugitigana na Aisha na kai minister Nyafara Ndudu-ini ya minister Musalia Mudavadi ni kietie ritana akuri hoge itiganete cia thirikari cia ikasha kunyitirira atafaria cia uthii wa na mbere cia thirikari nene na njira ya kurehe hamwe amawoni oro hamwe na uteithio wa besha na unyitaniri niguo agutigira bururi wa Kenya ni wakorwo githerema.
Thank you, Your Excellency, Dr.
Gentlemen, the purpose of the meeting is to discuss and coordinate our efforts for the successful implementation of the G7 Plus Secretariat within the NGCS using prioritized projects of the transport sector as the pilot. Was chosen as the pilot sector due to its substantial impact on development and the high level of donor involvement. The success of this pilot in the transport sector will be a game changer that will trigger other critical sectors such as energy, water, health, MSMEs, education, and ICT. Ladies and gentlemen, historically, our development efforts have largely been fragmented, often working in silos and independently. The pilot phase of the NGCS G7 Plus Secretariat has enabled us to learn that despite harmonization, alignment, and coordinations efforts over the years, there still exist silos amongst the development partners and also the government departments. It is imperative that we break down those silos and foster a culture of collaboration and integration in order to make the most effective use of the limited resources available. Underlining my commitment to ensuring that NGCS will be the fulcrum of unlocking bottlenecks that constrain the delivery of government services.
No aishi amahiyo kuma mwena wa West Pokot matharikire itura ria Kamelei gukwari county-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet na gucogereria nduthokaniro ya ihinda iraya mwena-ini ucio.
Na mweri utathirite thutha wa kairetu ka ukoro wa miaka 7 gute moyo wako kumana na tharikira cia mahinda kwa mahinda mwena wa West Pokot. Umuthe itoi cia mahiu ni itharikire itura ria Kamelei village county-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet na gucogereria ndathukanio iria ithire ihinda iraihu.
Elizabeth Jebesosi. Mwezi moja imepita, eneo hili imeipiwa ng'ombe. Imeibwa ng'ombe na iwezi ikarejeshwa.
Ikiramu kode uhoro uyu munini wa kamanda wa borithi mwena ucio niwe David Bowen ni augite thirikari ni itikire bueno ona ihenya na uguo gutire mundu ugurarire kana gute moyo wake.
Lakini tumeamua sahi pale tumekaa, nimeongea na county commissioner na amesema tutafute KPR 15 tukuje tufanyie vetting kesho na tutafute bunduki tuwapatie wakae na askari wa astu watima pale. Iko sawa sawa. So iko sawa. Unaona mambo sio mbaya. Tupatie time.
Akorea uguo aikari mwena ucio ni makaire thirikari nene makiuga ona thengia wa minista wa ugiteri niwe Kithure Kindiki kwiranira kunina tharikira ici matire marona umithio wa uge wake.
Alafu wakati Waziri Kidingi alikuja hapa, aliahidi sisi atatuletea KDF kule Kamalogon. Na hadi wa leo hajatuletea KDF.
Ukienda pale chini la Mnyeusi mpaka ya Waturkana na Wapokot iko KDF. Ukienda Chesekon iko KDF. Kwa nini Kamelokon wasituletee KDF?
Ni Hamuthingi TV, Retoria Kwane Wajiko wa Kihuba.
Atugitigana na icio nao amwe atongoria a kanjo ya makanitha bururi-ini akuma kaunti cia Kiambu na kaunti ya Nairobi ni moretie mutongoria wa bururi na munini wake gukorwo makigeria kurugamia haro iri ikoretwo igithie kuo cia kiuteti na gukorwo makirutithania wira na atongoria aria mathuretwo na makiria nigetha gukorwo na uthii wa na mbere guku bururi-ini.
We want to strongly call upon the political leaders, whether in government or outside, to cease the persistent electioneering and focus on delivering on their responsibilities.
Makiaria mare jumuiya Conference and Country Resort kaunti-ini ya Limuru, kanjo iyo itongoretio ni muikariri giti wayo niwe Reverend Alphonse Kanga, monanirie kimako kiao makiuga ati muoroto wa bururi werekeire ithurano-ini cia mwaka wa 2027 ona gutwika itigetie miaka 3 niguo ikinye.
That national focus is still being reverted on electoral politics, yet elections are 3 years away.
Oho ni maugire ati haro ici cingithie na mbere gutingikorwo na uthii na mbere o wothe bururi-ini wa Kenya.
This persistent obsession with the elections by political leaders continues to hinder human and economic plus infrastructure development in our nation.
Oho kanjo ino ni uririe aikari a Kiambu na Nairobi kunyita itemi mubango-ini wa kumenya uge wa Mukenya uria ukahanika kiumia giukite niguo mahote kuheana woni wao wigie kigina. Kanjo ino yugire ati o mundu ena kihoto gia kuheana woni wake ta Mukenya, kuona ati irahutia o mundu na njira imwe kana iria ingi muturire-ini wake.
Finance bill is for all Kenyans. Whatever name you are giving them, that name you are giving them, they are Kenyans, and we think they should all be accepted to deliver their memorandum because they are Kenyans, they have interest. Finance bill is going to be for them, and it will benefit them, and it will benefit all Kenyans. What's our stand? Every Kenyan is allowed to present his memorandum on that, his argument, his thought line, so that it can be received and look at it and agree that this is our finance bill.
Kanjo ino ya makanitha niyo NCCK ino ithire na mbere na kuria bunge na seneti ya bururi wa Kenya kurutithia wira wa miario ya NADCO makiuga ati ni yoete kahinda karaihu matari maramenya kiria kiaririirio na matua maria matuirwo.
We call upon the speakers of the National Assembly and the Senate to publish the NADCO report in a manner accessible to all Kenyans. Processes to implement the report of the National Dialogue Committee NADCO are continuing. It is, however, a major concern to us that most Kenyans are neither conversant with nor are they supporting the proposal made in the report. The piecemeal processing of the NADCO-related bills by Parliament means that the electoral reforms will be affected but without adequate public participation.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, Titagwo Wangari wa Njuguna.
Na riboti yo ni raikorwo gitwekanya gaitu ka mbere gagukorwo tugikiria na gukorwo githikura ikuona ati ni turacokereria na mangi maingi guku ariko Muthingi TV.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nigetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
uri murimi munini na ni urabatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera 0775 572 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
na nitwacokereria ngatho cia mwanya ni guthie na mbere na guikarania na ithue mayari mohoro ma hwaini gukoreko Muthingi TV tugicokereria kiondo-ini gitu ni ati akaunti ya Samburu ikoretwo iri kana ikigerera mathina maingi na makiria ma mai maria makoretwo magite ihinda inene na kuria minister wa mai Zakari Njeru augite ati nirio rigukorwo ri ihinda ria mwisho kaunti ino gukorwo magitetia oro wegie mai kuona ati mari na mubango uria gutigirira kaunti ino ni yakorwo ikiamukira ndobori iria gukorwo ikimateithiriria hari mai.
Lakini kwa hizi miaka mitano kila mwaka national government au county government inatoa zile plans ambayo inatakiwa kuwa implemented in that given year. Kwa hiyo mwaka mmoja ambayo imetengwa. Kwa hiyo ingine inakuwa ya pili, mwingine ya tatu, mwingine ya nne, mwingine ya tano. Kwa hiyo inakuwa implemented. Lakini unakuta wakati mwingine zile ambayo imewekwa kwa development plan ya tuseme 2018 2022 unaona kwamba zingine haijakuwa implemented. Kwa hivyo wanaleta ingine kabla ile ingine haijakuwa implemented. So ile kitu naomba ni kwamba zile ambayo haijakuwa implemented iwasho kurukwa, lakini si ku carry forward leo mwaka hiyo ingine una carry forward mwaka hiyo ingine, hiyo haisaidii.
Mambo hayo ambayo tumeletewa siku ya leo sio mageni. Mara nyingi tumeitwa mikutano ya mipango ama planning. Lakini shida kubwa ni kutekeleza ama kutoa suluhisho ya mambo yale ambayo yanatatiza wananchi.
But this is a project that will really greatly help people within this area. That the medium term plan for the county, as has been said by the cabinet secretary, we are working in collaboration. We are partnering with the national government to make sure all the medium term plans that have been that are in place will be workable. As has been said, as a semi-arid county, ours is to strengthen, to make sure this the same plans are going to go to the village and the county, to a village level.
The Kenya Vision 2030. So this is the first time the government is going out there to talk directly with wananchi in regard to MTPs. Of course, we have had the last three, and this one was launched by His Excellency, and it will go up to year 2027. So ideally here is to engage wananchi, let them know what the other MTPs have done and what this one is meant to do.
Na goko a Kenya magithie na mbere na kuruta mawoni ngurani megie budget ya kigina akia mwaka wa 2024 na mwaka wa 2025 ruhonge rwa aria marugamagirira a Kenya aria mari na mawathe rungu rwa mungano wa makanitha NCCK ni marutete mawoni ngurani na kuria maugite ati andu aya ni makoretwo magitigwo nja muno.
Instead of even talking about the one man, one vote, one shilling, let us start by devolving services. If it's something, let me give an example of education, a subject I'm so passionate about. In fact, when I talk about education, I think I get emotional. Let us not have some constituencies or some counties where they can afford, through their bursaries, to take their children for education overseas, Australia, UK, America, with bursaries. Yet in my children in Mwea, I cannot even afford to give them anything more than 3,000 shillings per year. Let us say we know we have this so number of children in this country. Let us have the money divided by the number of children.
Tungependelea one man, one vote, one shilling. Hii shilingi itatoka wapi? Kuna mwenzetu alisema hii sheria inaongea sana kuhusu vile tunagawana rasilimali, lakini haisemi hii rasilimali inatoka wapi. Ni lazima tujue hii pesa itatoka wapi. Mheshimiwa Mary Maingi, tumekuwa tukiongea sana juu ya watoto wenye maeneo mengine ya bunge. Mbunge wa hiyo eneo kupitia pesa yake ya CDF anaweza kulipia watoto karibu gharama yote ya school fees. Mimi na Mary Maingi tunang'ang'ana hapa kupatia mtoto shilingi 4,000 day school, hata haiwezi lipa school fees ya day school ya muhula mmoja. Lakini tunasema wale waendelee kunufaika na ile wako nayo. Lakini sisi tulio wengi tunataka rasilimali iongezeke, sisi pia tuongezewe, watoto wetu wafike kiwango ya wale wengine.
Iacha kuangalia Kenya kama kabila, tuangalie Kenya kama Wakenya. Itakuwa ni kwamba hata tukifanya census, ile hesabu ya watu wa Mwea constituency wahesabiwa kama watu wa Mwea, wasihesabiwa kama ni Wakikuyu, Wakamba, Wajaluo. Hiyo mambo itatusaidia sana. Kama tunaangalia maneno ya county, tunaangalia county. Hatuangalii county yenyewe iko na Wajaluo wangapi, iko na Wakikuyu wangapi. Na pia tukifika mahali ya kugawa rasilimali pia, kama vile watu wengine wanapendekeza ati one man, one vote, one shilling, ambayo ita affect watu wengine kwa njia mbaya.
Na kemunini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi wa Gachagua ni areganite na mĩario iria ikoretwo igitambio ni atongoria amwe ya ati ni akoretwo akihura uteti wa kiondo kana wa kuonera kundu kumwe ta Mount Kenya, kuria Rigathi augite ati we akoretwo agitambia uteti wa thayu, makiria kuria augite ati we gukorwo akigeria kunyitithania kirima ni njira imwe yake ya gukorwo akioria atongoria gukorwo magithie na mbere kunyitirira thirikari ya President William Ruto.
I called for the unity of this region. We don't want to unite this region against anybody. Far from it. Every region has its unique challenges and aspirations that must be addressed in a specific manner. We want to encourage all regions to be united, and once they are united, we unite the country. And I'm happy that the ordinary people from this region are united to a man. True or false? So, ignore a few noises here and there. And leaders of this region who want to fight unity, don't speak in Western. Don't speak in Rift Valley. Come and speak here. If you think this unity is a bad thing for the Mount Kenya region or is tribalism the way I'm hearing, don't speak outside there. Kuja ita mkutano hapa Mkurueini, useme hii umoja ya Mount Kenya ni ukabila. I want to advise our leaders with tremendous respect. Please, our leaders, all politics is local. Listen to your people. Listen to the ground. Align your thinking, your utterances with the people. That is what I do all the time. I listen to the ground. I listen to my people. My people are saying we want to be united. And we are not being united against anybody or any other region. If we are saying the way to reform our economy is through the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, unity too will be achieved through the bottom-up economic model, the bottom-up approach. We start with the family. You cannot unite the people of Kenya if your own family is fighting. You start at home. The husband and the wife and the children are talking one language. Once you unite the family, you unite the village.
tugitigana maicio naguo wira murito wa gutambura meri mwena wa Shakahola ni ugumeire ataramu guku kingira itena ria gatano hari thikũ ya gatatu kuria meri ĩngĩ ĩtatũ nĩkorirwo ĩgĩthikũrio na mbere na gũkinyia namba ya 446 na kuria kana na kuria ũthuthuria ũthiĩte na mbere kwambĩkwo.
Pasuka huku kitima huku hii ndio
na hapo kwenye hiyo majembe mumeangaliana sasa nimeanza
wapi sanitizer?
Haya na ripoti yo kuma kure mwena wa Shakahola ni rai kurogete kanya kage ukoro tugikiria na kurogethii kuraikua na ati tugicokereria turacokereria kuria iharo-ini na kugomenyithia ciana cia atumia cia gitinda ikigarika.
Uri murimi munini na ni urabatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera kivugo mugwanja 572 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Na nĩ twacokereria ngatho cia mwanya nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na gũikarania na ithuĩ na rũna gĩtĩo kĩnene anjĩtĩkĩria ngoro ngĩgũtwara nginya kũrĩa iharo-inĩ na kuo ngũmenyithie ũrĩa ciana cia atumia cia gĩtinda ikĩgarĩka. Minista wa mathako gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Ababu Namwamba nĩakumĩtie na njĩra nene mũtaratara wa Talanta Hela Initiative nĩ kũrĩa augĩte atĩ ũthiĩte na mbere gũkorwo ũgĩteithĩrĩria makĩria athaki gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Namwamba araririe ũũ hĩndĩ ya kũrĩanĩra na timu ya Mbĩtĩka cia Gonya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ arĩa timu ya Shujaa thutha wa gũkorwo magĩcokereria gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ thutha wa kwĩmathĩra tigiti wa kũingĩra mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia kĩmabũrũri arĩcio mbĩtĩka cia HSBC na kũrĩa magakorwo magĩthiĩ gũthaka mwaka ũkĩte.
But we actually have revised the allowances for all our teams competing outside. For local, actually we tripled the allowances that we found when we came to office. Local allowances, when you are here in camp, we raised that from 1,000 shillings, I think, to 3,000 per day. Foreign allowances, when you're out there, we tripled that from $60 to $200 per day. And that is also part of the new reward framework. And we'll continue to revise and improve our rewards. Na nyinyi Shujaa, I mean, we've been together. Nyinyi wenyewe mmesema hapa tumekula ngoma several times. Tumekula ngoma hapa na nyinyi, okay? Tumetoa hundi za pesa hapa several times, and we'll continue to do it. And for the feat that you accomplished, we are presenting the team with a reward of 5 million shillings.
Nayo timu ya fegi ya KCB betikaine cia volleyball maragiria kumatha uhotani betikaine yao ya mwisho akora magakora magetongana timu ya Kenya Prisons weekend ino anyabara wa kirafu giki mundu gwetwa Jafeth Munala ni augite ati timu yake Ekresheba makoretwo makiambika mehariria na kuria augite ati timu ya Kenya Prisons ti ya kuhuthio kuona ati ona ni maikoragwo makiresheba betikaine ici cia volleyball.
We are training for the final match of this year's playoffs, this season playoffs, and we are meeting a team that is experienced team, Kenya Prisons. It's going to be a tough match, but we are preparing well to see us through to win this second playoffs. So far we are working on our services, we are working on our defense, and we are working on the offense. So far so good, but we are struggling with the injuries. Our captain has a swollen knee, but we are hopeful that we should be there when we start playing these playoffs. Our right player has injured already on the plaster. Chumba is now coming back, training, overcoming her injury. So we are hopeful that we are going to play well these playoffs and be the champions again.
Haya na ripoti ya betika cia volleyball ni gukorwo igitutirihira kana ni gukorwo igituithiraniria mohoro hwaini wa umothe ngatho cia mwanya ni we gukoragwo gitwihokera wiroreri waku na we gukorwo gitwihokera gukorwo twikumenyithia uria bururi wa gitinda ukihana na kwiragwo o kindu giothe kire mwambiririo ni kire mwirikiro na nie ndeta boy wa Njau hau niho gukorwo gikira gaturumo mohoro hwaini wa umothe na makiria mohoro amethaini ya Muthingi TV ikoretwo ari thabari thakanie nawe gukorwo tugitirithania no ende kwiragwo o kindu kire mwambiririo ni kire murikiro na nie hau ni ndaikorwo ngigikira gaturumo gakwa ngakorwo ngigucokeria ngatho tugo tunyitirira na gukorwo gitwarithania na ithwe na gukorwo ugitutumira ndumiriri ciaku cia gukorwo mugitwendithia mawega na makiria gukorwo mugitumireria na gutwira ni twikaga wira mwega ana riu igukinya hau ni ngagucokeria ngatho ngakwira hatire undu atiri undoge igikorwo ngikiongerera tiga njuga ndi mukenu na nindiramucokeria ngatho ni nyuo gukoragwo mukitwihokera wiroreri waku na makiria mukajihokera nie Obui wa Njau ngakorwo ngimutereba mohoro-ini maitu nginyagia hindenge kwira Ngai wa muoyo akwende akoige na akorathime muthenya wa umuthi ara twikorwo tukirutithania nao wira mundu gwetwo Maige no kuma guku mwena wa guhuri wa mbica mundu gwetwo Tael no ma director wakwa anake mundu ugwetwo wa Theka no kima kure mwena wa TX na kokaire tugagetwo Bill Hakarothi magiteithania na mundu gwetwo Nasha ni makima kure mwena wa social media na ginyagia hindenge nie nawe tungigacemania ugijita wa Obui wa Njau nindiritikaga Ngai njega muture muri arathime na muturie wendo na muturie wendo ucio murikoretwo mugitwenda naguo ginyagia hindenge inshallah.